Okay, we got some kind of rig going here. If I can just get a couple more inches out of it, I believe I'll have it. I don't know, I made some kind of rig. Looks pretty scary, don't it? Something's happening. I'll crank on it just a little bit more and see, just about, I believe we've got maybe almost enough clearance, and crank this thing up. It's a 1-ton truck. It sits up pretty high, so I ain't got a whole lot left. If we can get lucky and get out from underneath it. I don't know how in the world we'd ever get it back on though. We'll figure that out when the time comes.